Hakabede bekerjing ajingmut ke All Khasi Hills Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association ban pentri kamno daga Reciprocal Transport Agreement. Ubak po Lyngdoh uloong bakatanat kam jung okai perthai kan seshim karai halor kan kerjing ajingmut. Bat uloong ru bau director uladap chong jingyalang bala betha ya ka All Khasi Hills Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association ban IT ya kerjing terwa da kerjing tho halor kerjing penbet ya kania ka Reciprocal Transport Agreement. Nang baka sorkar kan yo ban kemi ibnya bat ban shim karai. Hakawai pat kaliang ubak po Lyngdoh ula pentip udang siyo apdiang ya kajing ajing mud jang Meghalaya Tourism Development Forum panuan ra ka high speed luxury rail network ban kloy kalit kawan na Guwahati Shashilong nrai kania kam dan jing dai bagat tanat kam jung okai nrai kadai ka bahab akajing kemi jang tanat transport nrai ka kenhun menteri kan sashim ya karai.
Two meetings have been taken by the director with the association concerned. The association has been asked to submit in black and white their suggestions for that reciprocal arrangement, which they say exists in other states. So once that proposal comes from them, we will take a call. But the director has been talking to these various groups.